In this Upland tutorial, I would like to tell you and show you the main difference between levels in Upland, especially beginning levels. So for example, right now my level here is Uplander, and just by clicking here I can level up to Pro level, and when I do that I will lose access to all of these FSA properties, or First Start Act properties. You have access before you gain this Pro level. So my biggest advice for all beginners is to focus only on purchasing these First Start Act properties, because they are cheaper and they are available only to you before you reach 100,000. So at the moment when I click here level up, I will not have availability to buy, so I'm pretty much finished with this beginning level. Just recently I purchased these 3 properties here, so they will also be a part of a collection that you can see here. I just created this collection. It is on 3 properties in the same street. 1.3 times of value of these properties will be boosted, and as income you can see 696,960, and here we can see monthly earnings and boosted by collection. So let's just cover these different colors. First we have blue ones, which are owned by you. The green ones are just explored or revealed by your explorer and available for you to buy. You can see the price, 30,000. It's quite expensive, but still you will always need to take care about the size. So the size is pretty big, so maybe this price is reasonable here. We have light green ones, and still you can see some of them are FSA, some of them are not. And we have a dark green, and these properties are owned by someone, and you can see they are now selling. If you want to buy, you can buy. And we have light blue ones, which are not for sale. We can just see property size and the owner. If you click on any owner, you can also see details about, so this owner is Pro level. You can see the net worth, almost 500,000. Here we can see the assets, all properties all around, and also structures, if there are any buildings built by this user, and so on and so on. So in some other video I will go in more details how you can use this control panel here. So let's go back to our main focus, and that's the difference between this level, Uplander, and Pro level. Before you buy anything, first you do your research and see where you can find these FSA properties. In some cities like San Francisco and New York, you're not able to find any of these. So when I do this and click here, I will lose this access to FSA. Let's go do that right now and see what's gonna happen. So preparing status, you're preparing your Pro status. This may take a few moments, we'll notify, and then I will level up. We can see here, I will repeat that before you go to 100,000 net worth, do focus on FSA properties and just purchase them. And also other thing that you need to focus is your collections. So let's now click here and let's see the ceremony. So my net worth is over 100,000, and at this point, if I go here and I come with my explorer, I will not be able to buy these FSA properties. Okay guys, at this point I'll finish my tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay in touch with my upcoming videos. If you plan to play this game, to try it out, I will leave you a link description below, and if you follow this link you will get a 50% bonus on your first UPX credit purchase. So until next video, enjoy the game.